Hello and welcome to another video. Are you bad with the hand drawings? So today I am here with another website where you can make some bad drawing and get amazing results. Go to autodraw.com and from here you can select auto draw and start drawing anything you want. For example, if I want a car, I will draw something like this and it will start giving me suggestions on here on the top. As you can see I am getting the cars. I want this one or this, whichever I like. I can move it, resize it, change the colors and add text to it. My car, select my font from here. Okay, so and after that if I want to save it, I can save it in PNG format. I have successfully saved the file in PNG format. You can also create amazing artwork like this one and save your time. That's it for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep yourself up to date.